So this time Viraj saw Taj Mahal with us और ताज में विराज बहुत मजा आया था ना विराज कितना मजा आया था Hi, welcome back to Sevi Diaries. So today we are here at Taj Mahal and we'll show you Taj Mahal in this vlog. Taj Mahal means crown of the palace, which is the literal meaning of Taj Mahal. इसको मुमताज महल की मेमोरी में बनवाया गया था शाहजहां के द्वारा. So we'll tell you the stories of Taj Mahal कि कब बनवाया गया, कैसे बनवाया, क्यों बनवाया गया, and we'll show you Taj Mahal from both the sides, from the front as well as from the back. So you'll get to know इसका front क्या है, इसका back क्या है. इसको विजिट करने के लिए हर साल 7 to 8 million लोग आते हैं. एंड वी हैव आल्सो कम हियर एंड दैट टू विद विराज. तो ऐसा बोला भी जाता है कि आपको लाइफ में ताजमहल 3 बार विजिट करना चाहिए. एक बार अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ में, एक बार एज अ कपल एंड आफ्टर किड्स. सो आई हैव डन ऑल दैट. आई हैव कम विद माय पेरेंट्स हियर, आई हैव कम विद विवेक हियर एंड नाउ आई एंड विवेक हैव कम विद विराज. एंड बेस्ट टाइम टू विजिट दिस ताज महल इज अक्टूबर, नवंबर एंड फरवरी. जब ज्यादा सर्दी नहीं होती है, ज्यादा गर्मी नहीं होती है, फॉग नहीं होता है, मॉइस्चर नहीं होता, सो गेट टू सी द बेस्ट व्यू ऑफ ताजमहल. और जो हमने ताजमहल देखा है, ऐसा ताजमहल हमने पहले कभी नहीं देखा है. सो विल सी द ताजमहल थ्रू आवर आईज इन दिस ब्लॉग एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुली कैप्चर्ड ताजमहल इन दिस ब्लॉग. सो स्टे विद अस.
Raj, where are you going?
Where are you going?
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal. Hey Viraj, say hi. Where are you going? अंकल को बता दो कहाँ जा रहे हैं विराज. बाहर पार्क में जा रहे हैं.
Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal.
ताज में going to ताज में है विराज.
Hey.
Hey विराज.
Raj, hello. Going to see the Taj Mahal now, right? The first thing what you can see on either side of yours, as you can see, these are rooms which were used as in houses at that time initially. As you can see, the lucky dog don't need any ticket. So at that time, the people who were traveling from long distances to visit Taj Mahal, they used to stay here for a little bit and then continue their journey. Later on, when we talk about early 1900s, we start having shops here. But when in 1983, UNESCO World Heritage Site, so they just moved all those shops. सारी shops बाहर कर दी गई. That beautiful structure on the right hand side, that's merely the main entrance gate of Taj Mahal. Right over there. One of the best places to get a picture or to get a view is from here. Perfect. Starting again, the pathway through which we are walking now, right here. This, if you were visiting Taj Mahal, say about 25-30 years back, so the cars or the scooters, rickshaws, they were allowed up to this courtyard. This was a normal public lane. So apart from the east gate through which we have entered, right opposite we do have the west, and then we do have the south gate on the left hand side. We're going to just make a halt here for a second. One of the best way to see the Taj Mahal if you're visiting it first time in your life is to stand here on this line. So we're going to stand on the central axis here, right over there, ma'am. जी, वो बीच वाली लाइन है. अगर आप उसके थ्रू देखेंगे ना, so you're going to see right in the center. You can see the Taj Mahal through that arch. Right. Mughals, they love symmetry. They love balance. All around the gate, you can see some Arabic inscription written in black. These are all the Arabic verses taken from Quran. As Mughals, they were Muslims, so they were getting the inscriptions from Quran written here. Before moving in, so one of the amazing thing about the writing here, the calligraphy, sir, अगर आप इधर देखेंगे, can you see those Arabic inscriptions, ma'am? So the size of the letter is getting wider from bottom to top. But because we are standing here, na, it looks the same. So it's simple perspective. So it's the size is actually like this. It goes wider, but it looks the same to you because we are standing here. So the new about is 400 years back, in the middle of 1600. Let's say hi. Hi, bolo. Taj pe ho bhai. Wow, Viral, looking so good, handsome.
जाम हो गया जाम हो गया पापा ने जाम कर देते फिर रात को
The fifth Mughal emperor for his beloved wife, whose name was Mumtaz Mahal. Of course, a monument of love. Built 400 years back. It took 22 years, 22 saal lage, but 20,000 people, day and night. One of the biggest, mega, and the most expensive project of the medieval history of the world. Now looking to the symmetry again, if we're going to cut this building right from the center, so this fountain line, the whole complex we're going to divide exactly into two equal parts. There is nothing which is asymmetrical except one. That one thing is the tomb of the emperor inside the white marble building. So the real name of this building, it was not Taj Mahal. It was called as Rozai Biwi Munawwarai Arjumand Bano Begum. But as the people can't pronounce it so easily, they start calling it as Taj Mahal. Short and easy. Shah Jahan got married to his wife Mumtaz Mahal in 1612. The married life goes from 1612 to 1631. During this time span of the 18 years of the married life, she gave birth to 14 children.
oh my god
During giving birth to the 14th child, the queen, she died. But before dying, she called her husband, the emperor, and she asked few promises. The first one, that after my death, you're going to bury my body in Agra. So as soon as she died, the queen, the construction of the building was started in 1631. 1631 में start हुआ. The whole complex was completed in 1652. Altogether, it took them 22 years by 20,000 people who worked there day and night to complete this building. This was the biggest, the mega, and the most expensive project. The main architect of this building, his name was Ahmad Khan Lahori. He was born in Lahore. Originally, he was from Central Asia, the place from where the Mughals came to India. This project was his last. He didn't do anything after this. Reason? He thought he has done his best. How can you top this one? All the white, what you're looking over there, that's all white marble, the world's best marble in the whole world. And we got all this white marble from Makarana, a district in Rajasthan. Took them almost at that time 5,000 elephants, camels, oxes to drag this big and huge blocks of marble from there to here. One of that, it used to take 2 months to reach at that time. Why we say that this is the best marble? Apart from white, any other color which you're going to see on Taj Mahal, it's a real gemstone, real semi-precious stone which is inlaid into there. So they're like malachite, jasper, onyx, carnelian, different kind of semi-precious stones, all inlaid. Nothing has been painted there. The total height of Taj Mahal is approximately 75 meters, almost 3 to 5 feet taller than Qutub Minar of Delhi. Look at the beautiful bulbous shaped dome called the onion dome. All the metal. Can you see the top metal part over the main dome? It's all brass and bronze thing. Initially it was all gold. It was all looted by the English. They took away approximately 750 kilogram of gold from Taj Mahal. The side buildings on the right hand side, the red sandstone building, that's called the Royal Guest House, which was never ever built or used as a guest house. Simply built to complete the symmetry, because we have the same building on the left hand side. बिल्कुल एक वैसी building है. This is the Royal Mosque, Shahi Masjid, the Royal Mosque. Before COVID, every Friday we used to get local Muslims come and pray. Again, you can see the inscriptions from Quran written all over Taj Mahal. Call them surahs. Everything was done 4 centuries back by hands, hammer and chisel. Imagine, no computer, no water jets, no lasers. Before she was buried in that white marble building, her body was buried in the garden over there. So that's her burial site, initial burial site. She died in Burhanpur, which is down on Madhya Pradesh Maharashtra border, as the emperor was having a war. So being pregnant, she still was accompanying him. That's one of the reasons she was always with him. Doesn't matter, he's going to war, he's going for hunting or excursions, everywhere. Again, remembering the same stuff. White marble जितना भी आप देख रहे हैं सब facade पे है. Inside, it's all bricks and mortar. The main calligrapher, the person who was in charge of writing in Taj Mahal, his name was Amanat Khan Shirazi. He was from a city called Shiraz, which is in Iran. So another best thing about Taj Mahal, that it was a multinational project. People from all around the world were working here together. The red sandstone has to be restored from time to time. You have to remember that. लाल पत्थर जो है वो soft है by nature, तो उनको renovation work चलता रहता है. White marble, except cleaning, nothing. We'll be walking up here. Where we are wearing these shoe covers for regards, because we got the tombs. कब्र है ऊपर इसलिए. हाँ डैड की आज एक्सरसाइज करवाई है तुमने बहुत अच्छी. Here we are outside the tomb area. You're doing great. मैं बता रहा हूँ, मतलब मैंने बच्चे देखे लेकिन he's doing great. बिल्कुल, मतलब I was, मेरी बेटी है, she is like 4 और वो बिल्कुल अभी रो रही होती है.
He slept late also yesterday.
अरे energetic. We call that माशाल्लाह, बहुत energetic. That's the second holy river of India, Yamuna or Jamuna. Again, as you can see on the other side, right across, that's the garden, sir. जो है मेहताब पार्क, वो है. From there you can see the Taj in the evening. वो जो वाला है ना बिल्कुल वहाँ पे flat ground and that big garden. वो जो flat ground है, that's actually a fountain. मतलब वो archaeology ने excavate किया था. मेहताब बाग. मेहताब means moonlight. The moonlight garden. Right over there, that's the Agra Fort, where he was kept imprisoned by his son for 8 years from 1658 to 1666 until he died there. Why did his son did that? Of course, because he wants the power and he was not the chosen one. So he killed his brothers, Dara, Shuza and Murad, got his father house arrested, and he ruled in India for 50 years. As soon as he died, the downfall of the Mughals began and the rise of the English started. So all these towers of the minars which are on the side, they're not straight. All of them, they're leaning or tilting away from the main building. सारी ये lean away हो रही हैं. Reason? If you got any earthquake, they will not going to fall on the main building. Another reason, perspective. If you're standing at a distance, they look straight because they're slightly leaning away. We still have the steps to go up to these towers, but now they have been all shut down because of safety and security reasons. That's a guest house which was never ever built or used as a guest house.
Raj, what are you doing here? Oh.
तो गार्डन्स जो आप देख रहे हैं ना, ये ओरिजिनल नहीं है. These are British lawns. ओरिजिनल जो मुगल गार्डन्स थे, they were 5 feet down. हाँ, यहाँ से ग्राउंड लेवल पे. और उसमें मोस्टली they used to have fruit trees in them. तो फलों के पेड़ होते थे. इस वजह ये थी कि जब वो पेड़ बड़े होंगे और जब उनमें फल लगेंगे, तो जो फल आएंगे वो ग्राउंड लेवल पे आएंगे. Gardens and fountains, because themselves they came from a colder region. India was always warm and hot for them. So they love to have these things to make the environment cool. ठंडक के लिए. Ma'am, we're going to walk this.
Hey, Viraj.
Come.
Hey, Viraj. Viraj, आपने ताजमहल देखा बेटा? How was it? Was it good? You enjoyed? हाँ? अरे वाह, अब विराज ने कार राइड करेगा.
So after seeing this beautiful Taj Mahal, we are going back to our hotel, and hotel has provided us buggy for the transport from hotel to Taj Mahal and from Taj Mahal to hotel. So after seeing Taj Mahal from the east gate, now we are going to see the Taj Mahal from Mehtab Garden. So it's always advisable, if you are seeing Taj Mahal, you should see Taj Mahal from both the sides. And now we are seeing the front of the Taj Mahal. तो लोगों को लगता है कि ताज महल का फ्रंट जहाँ से लोग देखते हैं वहाँ से होता है, but in reality the front of the Taj Mahal is right from here on the bank of the Yamuna river. So Mehtab Bagh means moonlit gardens. It lies north of the Taj Mahal, as you can see, because on the other 3 sides are the gates of the Taj Mahal. So this garden is also in the square shape, perfectly aligned with the Taj Mahal on the opposite bank. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि शाहजहां का डिजायर था to build a mausoleum for himself exactly to that of the one he had built in memory of his second wife, that is Mumtaz Mahal, but that too entirely of black marble. जो आपको मुमताज महल का जो mausoleum that is of white marble, वो अपने लिए black marble का बनवाना चाहते थे, but Shahjahan was not able to complete it as he was put under the house arrest by son Aurangzeb in the Agra fort. तो वो ऐसा ही रह गया है, एंड नाउ इट इज मेहताब गार्डन, जहाँ से अब आप ताजमहल देख सकते हैं, एंड दैट टू फ्रंट ऑफ द ताजमहल. beautiful Taj Mahal. We were really mesmerized with the beauty of Taj Mahal this time. So stay safe, stay happy, keep watching, and if you have any questions, you can ask us. We'll be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you. Ajay, say thank you. Thank you. Thank you.